Hi, welcome to Simply Redecorate. My name is Rebecca Brown. I'm an interior designer, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bed. The very first steps of the bed, you have your fitted sheet, your flat sheet, and your coverlet. The purpose of the coverlet, everybody's wondering, why do you need this blanket underneath the blanket? Well, if you think about it, sometimes you get too hot in the middle of the night and you want to throw off your amazing down comforter that keeps you so warm, but then you're freezing. So not if you have a coverlet. Number 2, on top of the fitted sheet, flat sheet, and then your coverlet, you have the final blanket that goes on the very top of the coverlet. So step 3 of making a luxurious bed is once you've got on your fitted sheet, flat sheet, coverlet, and your gorgeous duvet, you need to fold it down. It needs to come all the way up to your headboard. Fold it down just a touch. Just like so. That's why it's so important to have a beautiful reversible duvet so you can see this gorgeous solid color or reverse pattern on the other side. And so number 3 step to making a bed is putting on your back headboard pillows. So we're going to use these gorgeous furry Euro shams from Pottery Barn. And this is a king bed, so we needed 3 of them to take up the whole entire back headboard of a king bed. You don't want to cover the entire headboard, obviously. This is a nice tall headboard, so it sticks out just like so, and you can still see the gorgeous blush color of the velvet from the custom bed that we made here. So that's step 3. You have your square Euro shams. So what's nice about having the Euro shams is when you want to sit up in bed and read, or if you have a television in your bedroom, which I don't recommend, then the Euro sham gives you a nice cozy way to sit up in bed with some comfort. So that's the purpose of the Euro shams. They're not just for decorative, pretty purposes. They're for function, for your back. Take care of your backs. So step number 4 is the 4 pillows. And the reason why I say 4 pillows is because some people, like myself and my fiance, like to sleep with 2 pillows. So most sheet sets come with a flat, a fitted, and 2 pillowcases, okay? So these are the 2 pillowcases. They came with the flat and the fitted sheet, and those go right on the bottom. And then what you're going to do is cover those, because you want to protect those from dust and from any daily activity that's going on, because you put your nice clean face on them at night and you don't want them getting dirty. So then you're going to cover them with the pillow shams. These come with your duvet usually. Usually duvets are sold with 2 pillow shams. Unless you're buying a twin sheet, a twin duvet, they only come with 1. So this is a king, so we got 2 king size duvet and shams, and those go right in front of your pillowcases to cover the pillowcases and protect them from getting any sort of dust and daily mess on there, okay? So that's step number 4. And step 5, and my personal favorite, is the decorative pillows. And I know a lot of you are saying, oh, decorative pillows, they just go on your bed and they go off, but they do serve as a function too. But first, let's show you how to properly choose and place decorative pillows. So as you can see, I've chosen some very glamorous ones. My client here is very glamorous, and so she likes a little sparkle on her bed. The sparkle on your bed is also kind of like the jewelry of the room. So as you're picking selections for your room, in this case the bedroom, you want to have a mix of textures, a mix of colors, and then just like an outfit, just like in fashion, you also want to finalize your outfit with jewelry, and it makes all the difference in the world. So this is the jewelry of the bed. So I've selected these 3 colors and they came straight from the colors in the bed. You'll see that the bed has just a touch of black in it, just a touch of pink in it. And then obviously this is just for the bling bling jewelry of the room, and it goes so nicely with the bed. So what I like to do is just place kind of in an asymmetrical manner. First we'll do 2 like this, and then this cute pink one right in the middle. And then if you wanted to do for a more summertime look, you could always remove some of that and place a pretty fun yellow one, or bring in some purple. With this bedding, you could do any of these colors. You could bring in the turquoise and just really pull out the turquoise, and this could actually, you know, fit in a masculine room too. I know it seems very feminine, but if you pull out all the turquoise and put it on a turquoise bed or a navy blue bed instead of a blush bed, then, you know, there's endless opportunity what you could do with this bedding. So that finalizes how to make a bed. Let's go through the steps one more time. Step number 1 is first your fitted sheet, flat sheet, and your coverlet. Then after that's all tucked in nicely, you throw over the duvet. Once that's brought up to the top of the bed and folded down, you bring in your 3 back Euro shams. If you have a double or a queen, you only need 2 Euro shams, the square shams. And that's, you can sit up and read at night and watch TV if you want to. And then step number 4 is placing your pillows, your 2 regular pillows with the cases that came with your flat and fitted sheet, and then your 2 pillow shams that came with your duvet. And then step number 5 is whatever decorative pieces that you want to put on the bed. And I have chosen these 3 pillows. I've chosen the colors from the bed to select these 3 pillows. And then some people like to even throw a blanket on the bottom of the bed just to add some more texture. And if you want to take a nap during the day, but you don't want to go inside your bed with your dirty day clothes, you just want to sit on top of your bed and throw a blanket over you for a nap, that's what that's for. And then, like I said, these pillows, they look like they're just decorative, but again, it's also for napping during the day. You don't want to get your makeup-y face on your clean pillows. So that's what these would be for, is you can use them as taking a nap or sitting up and watching TV. So that's how to make a bed.